Hello, and welcome to Culinary Haven in Transition State. Remember October? We don't either. In fact, we've been in a blur of what can only be described as an extreme home makeover. On the bright side, there is always the sea to look at. As you can see, since coming down to our new Culinary Haven, Mr. Haven has been hard at work, to say the least. Just so you know, this is why we've been quiet and why it will be some time before we'll get to resume our usual flow of episodes. Fret not, we'll be showing you very soon how I've been keeping us fed and somewhat normal in this building site life. Keep an eye out for that. And in the meantime, I hope you and your families are staying safe, sane, and well fed. And until next time, bye.